This is the easiest way to peel your beans in just 3 minutes. So you want to start by adding your beans inside a bowl, then add water and leave it to soak for just 1 or 2 minutes. Please don't soak it for more than 2 minutes, because once the beans get too soft, the blender will blend the beans instead of peeling the skin. So please don't soak it for too long. Now pour it in your blender, add more water, and just make sure the water does not pass the maximum of your blender. Now you want to use the pulse function. Just press and release for 1 second each. Just keep on pressing and releasing for 1 second each. Press and release, exactly like this. And if your blender does not have the pulse function, you can use the lowest speed. Press it and turn it off every 1 second. Press and turn off, press and turn off every 1 second, exactly the way I'm doing in this video. You can do this for up to about 10 times and you will see the skin peel off easily. So once you are done doing that, transfer back into the bowl, add water and sieve it out. Just be adding water and be sieving out. Do this several times till all the skin is out. You can see the skin here. Then just add more water and be sieving out till all the skin is out, till you can't find any skin inside it anymore. You can see how clean it is here. You can see there is no single skin left inside. You can now blend with pepper and onions to make your akara or moi moi, anyone. I hope this is helpful, and if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.